From space, somewhere we take birth on Earth. Now, on Earth, we have 195 countries. When we took birth in any country, we are surrounded by different types of people. Our parents, brother, sister, friends, relatives, society, and other. Different people you deal with make either positive or negative impacts on your life. When positive energy is flowing from our surrounding or from people we deal with, we feel positive. And when we are not receiving positive energy from our surrounding people and friends, we start feeling drained. When we are surrounded by negativity, we cannot grow in a positive way. So, how we can stay positive even in negative environment? It's all about energy. So how we can increase positive energy flow in our life? How we can stay positive even in negative environment? See, everything is energy, and for peaceful life we need more positive energy. So by doing different practices, we can increase positive energy flow in our life. We can meditate. By meditation, we can increase positive energy flow in our life. When we meditate, we receive infinite positive energy. More you meditate, more you can receive it. There is no limitation. Daily we can meditate 10 minutes and slowly increase this time period. We can spend time in nature with animals, birds, plants. Feel their energy, observe nature, see how calm they are in their natural form. Be kind with unkind. Be kind with unkind humans. Yes. Be kind with unkind and negative human, because they are internally suffering. That's why their energy is negative. Give them your positivity, and if you cannot help, then at least try to avoid such people and work on yourself and increase your positive energy so you can help such people. Do something creative every day. Do painting, yoga, exercise, or anything that makes you happy. Every day do something that gives you peace. Not to impress someone, but just do it for you. Love yourself. Always love yourself. You are your first responsibility. No one is responsible for your life, problems, pain, suffering. Take charge of your life and be in peace with yourself. Do not give the key of your happiness to someone else. Love yourself and always be kind with yourself.